Okay, so we're going to look at how to test two fuses. I have two different size fuses here, and when we test fuses, you can either test for continuity or resistance. We're going to test for resistance, so you can see the meter right there, and we have it set on ohms. So I take my two leads and I put one on each end, and that's how I'll test it. Now what I'm looking for is, if you see it like this right now, the meter reads OL, which means open line. So you can see these two leads, they have no contact. If I put them together, then you'll see it go all over the place reading numbers, okay, because it's kind of searching, but basically it means that there's a pathway. A fuse is a pathway through here. So if a fuse is good, there will be a connection of these two through this. So when I put a lead on each end here, I'm going all over the place with numbers because it's searching, which tells me that that fuse is good. Now it's important to note, in order to test resistance, you cannot have any power going to these fuses. So you would have to test them with the power off. If you try testing resistance with power, you can blow up your meter. Now I have my other fuse over here. I go to test it, and you can see that it says OL on there, just like when I have these apart. That tells me that this fuse inside the piece of metal that's right there that connects this end to this end is broken, which means this fuse would be no good. So again, resistance is how we test these fuses, and resistance is ohms. If it's searching with numbers, it's good. The piece of metal is in here and it's connecting these two. And if that piece of metal is broken, it will say open line.